what's he made this?
Stepped in the game, heavy with the heat. Rig from the 5-0, I'm always on my feet. Chefing them pops while I'm flipping them cars. Cash stacking high and I'm reaching for the stars. Mask on, it's late, now I'm in the cut. Rig with the blade, got these ops not sleeping. Slide in the Audi, I joke, then I'm leaving. The sounds in the shows, got these feds still peeping. Hot block, but I'm cold and my heart still freezing. Money's in my mind, in the trap, I'm beasting. I'm stolen whips to the packs that I'm reaping. All about the paper, that's a life that I'm leading. And on ops, got the block on lock. Pushing through the city like I own these blocks. Skirting them cars, they're hot like the shop. Rig from the 5-0, yeah, I never get caught. In the gym, waist clanging, ready to fight. Body like a tank, my left hook dynamite. Feared in the ends cause my jab lands right. In the ring or on the road, it's the same spotlight. Rigsing down the echoes with respect. Bitching these bars, stacking check after check. Got my eyes on the price, no time for stress. In the gym, on the grind, striving to be my best. Riding through the night with the goods in the back. Money on my phone, yo, it's time to react. Stay silent on the move, these talkers get clapped. Rigs a silent killer in black, fully strapped. Switch lanes are on the elusive, dodging the blue lights. Living in the fast lane, racing through the night. Every corner turned, I'm a shadow in their sight. Rig runs a game with power and might. From the gym to the streets, I'm known widely. Rumor spread, yeah, that man's mighty. Pushing to the limits, breaking chains lightly. Stand through the storm when I step in rightly. Rig from the 5 and my tale's been told. From making money fast to being ice cold. The life I leave in the streets I mold. I'm the king of the night, bold, never sold.